The referee is the manager of the crew, and the ultimate decision on disputes lies with him if one of the officials will not back off. So as the referee, he comes down and he discusses with both men, and he makes a determination which one felt that he was more concerned and more positive about the call. Generally, one guy will say, well, I'm not 100% sure, and the other one will. It's a management decision. You can't go with two calls. You have to have one of the two. And as the referee, you've got to decide which person's view is more reliable. And it happens sometimes where they absolutely refuse, and I have made a decision based on how they describe it to me. And of course, this all has to be done in a matter of 40 seconds. Anyone that's interested in becoming a top-notch referee and increasing all of your abilities, make sure that you get a hold of Position Power, put up a Referee magazine, because it's got all of the information about finding out how good you are and how good you can be.